Hi you guys, this is Miss Pruitt with the third video for solving right triangles. So yes, this is part 3. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to solve word problems. So let's jump right in. Today we're going to talk about finding the height of the tallest chimney. So the world's tallest smokestack, another name for a chimney, at the International Nickel Company, Sudbury, Ontario, casts a shadow that is approximately 1,580 feet long when the sun's angle of elevation, measured from the horizon, is 38 degrees. How tall is the smokestack? Well, if we could, we would get a nice big long tape measure, climb to the top, and see how tall this thing is. But don't believe that anyone has any time for that. So what we can do is use trig to find out the height of this chimney. So let's talk about what's going on here. The sun is beaming down on this factory or on this chimney. And this is the angle, or this is where our line of where the sunlight is shining is hitting the chimney. And because it's hitting this chimney, it is causing it to create this shadow. So now, in order to solve this, I need to figure out, well, what it is, or put down all my knowns. So what is known is that the sun is creating an angle of elevation for the shadow that is 38 degrees. And what is also known is that the length of this shadow is 1,580 feet long. So in terms of this angle, this 38 degree angle, what do I have? Well, I have the side that is adjacent to it. However, I want to know how high the chimney is. So what do I want? I want the side that is opposite. So then I think of SOHCAHTOA, and I look at what I have and what I want, and I say, okay, well, which one, the SOHCAHTOA, could I use to solve this problem? Which one can I use based on what I have and want, the adjacent and the opposite? Well, it should be clear then that we're going to use tangent, because tangent has the opposite and the adjacent. So what I'm going to do is redraw my triangle that's been created. No, it's not to scale, but it gives me an idea of how to set up or what my picture is looking like. I know that I'm going to use tangent, and tangent of an angle theta is going to be opposite over adjacent. So in this case, I'm going to fill in what I know. I know that tangent of 38 degrees is going to be some length x divided by 1,580 feet. Well, to get rid of this denominator and to get x by itself, I'm going to multiply both sides. So let's rewrite it just so I have enough room. Because this is division, on the right-hand side, the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 1580 because these two will now cancel out. And if I plug in 1,580 times tangent of 38 degrees, make sure your calculator is in degrees, I would get that x equals 1,234 feet. That is the height of our chimney and the answer to our problem.